Aloha freshmen, I am Ashlee Acob, your class president. Welcome to our first class assembly of the year. I know we may have started our year differently, but that's what makes our year a lot more memorable. I hope to create a bunch of new exciting memories this year, and now I welcome you, our freshman class officer.
Hi Trojans, I'm Zentkovich, your class vice president.
Hello Trojans, I'm Sariah Banks, your class recording secretary.
Hey everybody, my name is Lily Kim, your corresponding secretary.
Hi Trojans, my name is Jaden, Kiese, your class treasurer.
Now we'd like to introduce the council members who helped to make up the team that is leading your class this school year. They are Noellani, Shyla, Yaeko, Courtney, Faith, Ava, Alexis, Jazmine, and Ashlee.
Next up, we'd like to introduce to you the class of 2024 advisor who will help lead us towards a bright future over our course of 4 years at Noellani High. Please welcome Mr. Turell.
What's up, class of 2024? My name is Mr. Turell, and I'm your class advisor. I am truly excited and honored to be able to play a role in helping you guys make your memories and your impact here at Noellani High School for the next 4 years. Although this is not the start of the school year that many of us had hoped or imagined, especially with this being your first year of high school, I truly want to encourage you guys to make sure that you have a positive mindset and also that you are giving it your best and giving it your all in whatever you do. When we get through this together, I know that we're going to become better individuals, have a stronger mindset, and also become more resilient. I know life seems like it's on pause because of all these lockdowns, but your purpose and your destiny was never on pause. So make sure, like I said, give it your all because each day, each moment, each opportunity counts. So make the most of it as you are working towards your future goals and your aspirations. I want to encourage you guys to give it all your next 4 years. Get involved, have some fun, make new friends, connect with the teachers as we can be great resources for you in the future, and most importantly, have fun. So remember that you matter, you count, you are highly valued, and also you have so much worth. So we're excited to getting to know you. I can't wait to see you guys in person. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out and email me when we return back to campus. I am located in P1. So I hope you guys are staying safe. And like I said, we can't wait to see you guys. All right, take care.
And now I'd like to introduce you to the vice principals of our wonderful high school who will help us over the next 4 years. Please welcome Miss Miller and Miss Kierstead.
Hello freshmen, class of 2024. I'm Robin Miller. I'm one of your vice principals along with Renisha Kierstead. Welcome to Noellani High School. I hope to see you soon on campus. Remember, be kind to others and be kind to yourself. See you soon.
Hey freshmen, my name is Miss Kierstead. I'll be your vice principal for the next 4 years. Let's get it, let's go.
Finally, we'd like to introduce our class of 2024 counselors who will help guide us down the right path over the next 4 years. Please welcome Mr. Hisamoto and Miss Brown.
What's up, freshmen? I'm Mr. Hisamoto. I'm the counselor for students with the last names A through K.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Brown and I am the counselor for the awesome class of 2024 freshmen, students with the last names Alpha L through Z.
Alright, so we're your counseling team and we're super excited to be part of your 4-year high school journey. Our offices are located here in the administration building. If you need any help or support whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can do that by either giving us a call or emailing us.
Yes, and we are actually with 2 weeks underway through the school year, so we hope that it was a smooth or even positive transition for all of you. For some of you, if it wasn't, that is okay. Things are gonna get easier as we go along. This is a brand new mode of learning for all of us this year, but this also is a fresh start for you to begin your high school journey. So just hang in there. One of the quotes that I like to go by is, "You're always stronger than you think you are." So please hang in there. Let us know if you need help and keep persevering. Anything else, Mr. Hisamoto?
Quote that I like to go by is attitude is a choice. So you determine your own attitude. Please make it positive. I know this is a difficult time, but hang in there, guys. You're more resilient than you know, and we're gonna get through this together. Hope you have a good year. And like we said earlier, don't hesitate to contact us if you need anything.
Okay. Have an awesome first quarter.
Take care, guys.
Thank you to all the awesome people who will help us throughout our time here at MHS. Next up, we're excited to share with you the opportunity to get involved at Noellani. The 2020 Club Fair launches tomorrow. That's right, all the clubs have been getting ready to welcome new members and find ways to stay active, even if virtually, to provide us with a chance to meet new people and learn new skills. So check your emails tomorrow for the link to the Club Fair platform to learn about the clubs here at Noellani.
The game we're playing today has to do with TikTok. And you know what it is? It's a Guess the TikTok Dance. We're going to show you several videos of TikTok dances, and your job is to guess what the dance is. Make sure to keep track of your answers. You could maybe write them down on a piece of paper, because at the end of the assembly, you're going to have access to a Google form that tests you. Take the quiz to find out how well you know your TikToks. Enjoy!
Why don't you say so? Didn't notice. No punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so?
Wait. Renegade. Go. Got one. Go. Go.
Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? So it took some time to fight you. I'm better on the other.
Close your eyes, shut your mouth, dream a dream and get us out. Dream, 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 dream. Hit the hay, fast asleep, dream a dream, you little peep. Dream, 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 dream.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Heard you got that drip, 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 drip. Yes, something for my wrist, 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 wrist. Paparazzi sound like flick, 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 flick. Nikon, I'm an icon like.
With it, lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that Molly Bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that Molly Bob with it. Lean with it.
This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to.
Now, it's time to announce our official class colors and class mascot that will help represent our class for the next 4 years. The votes has been tabulated, and so our official class colors are
red and black,
and our official class mascot is
the Mambas.
Openings to design our class shirt is now open. You may use a blank sheet of paper or use a template provided that will be emailed to you by your advisory teacher or our class Gmail. Once done, take a picture or scan your design and email it to our class Gmail. Thank you.
Class of 2024 Mambas, we also wanted to remind you that every Friday is Children Pride Friday, and you should be repping our school gear or colors of brown and gold. And be sure to tag at Noellani_HS_student_activities or our class account when you do. Another way for you to get involved is through our school senate. Every advisory class is allowed to have one senator that will act as the voice of their advisory class and our grade level in these once-a-month virtual meetings. I will now turn it over to Caitlin, this year's Senate Chairperson, for more info.
Hey Trojans, my name is Caitlin Plascio and I am this year's Senate Chairperson and your Hawaii State Student Council representative. Despite the many changes this year, we still want to hear your voice. We will now be holding monthly virtual Senate meetings.
Being a senator is a great way to get involved. Senators at Noellani High School are important leaders in our school community. They act as their advisory class representative by addressing questions, comments, and concerns discussed in their classes and will relay information to their classmates that was discussed at the previous Senate meeting.
Teachers, please discuss with your advisors today to determine your senator and alternate senator. Once decided, please fill out this Google form by September 2nd. I am so excited to work with you all this year as we tackle this new level in our high school careers.
Remember, today is the last day to apply to be your advisory class senator. So after this assembly, please discuss with your advisory class who will serve as senator and then alternative.
And now we will transition into some tips and reminders. Always have your fully charged Chromebook ready, and don't forget to turn on your video camera at all times during virtual live sessions. When coming on campus for various reasons, masks are required, and try to keep a 6 feet apart distance from other people. Check your Gmail and Google Classroom daily for instruction from teachers and class assignments. Follow our Instagram at Noellani HS 2024 for more news throughout the year.
Before we close, it is a tradition at Noellani High School to end each assembly with the singing of the Alma Mater. The Alma Mater is the school's anthem.
Thank you for tuning in to our first virtual assembly. We hope you all enjoyed it. As we walk into this new chapter of our lives, we are excited to create many memories. And we hope you all have a great rest of your day. Whether in person or online, children pride all the time.